Hi, good evening. I'm Mark Lawrence Martinez, your licensed professional teacher. You know for sure that I'm from Philippines. And now I'm going to teach you when you will book your enrollment here in my profile. Together, we will achieve something because like you, there are many students who excels in my class here in the Philippines. They tend to be an honor roll at their prestigious school. And look at you now. You are aiming to be that one. You are aiming to learn something from me. And now, I would like to reiterate that you will now going to enroll at my prestigious virtual learning scheme here in online world. And now, I'm encouraging you to please book an enrollment here in my profile. And now, I would like you to know this one. I am much more than willing to help you in your studies, especially in your homework. And of course, all throughout the semester, I will going to squeeze you so that you will be an intelligent or smart student. So what are you waiting for? I would like you to enroll in my profile. That is why for today's video, I will going to reiterate again and again and again the beauty of the value of being taught by me. Once again, thank you very much. This is your teacher, Teacher Lawrence, and my full name is Mark Lawrence C. Martinez, licensed professional teacher. Good day, everyone.